Today we are going to learn how to display list of data in an iOS app. Um, Most of the apps, almost some 85 to 90% of the apps are like list view. So let's see how we can show some data in a list. So at first, um, we'll have from the storyboard we'll have to add a table view to our view controller like this. Just drag and drop the table view, and then we have to set the constraints accordingly. Currently for this example I'm using a table view for the entire screen, so I'm setting all the constraints as 0, and see the table view is filled for the entire view. Then the next stage is we have to add some prototype cells, and currently as all the cells are which I'm going to design is of equal size, I'm going to add one prototype cell. Okay, then um, like we can add all these items to a view, and like that we have to add some items to this. Which all items we require, we can add this to the table view cell. So I added a label here, and accordingly we have to set the constraint for that label too. So I'll give like this. All right, now that the table view is set, we can create the outlets for this table view. So can give a list table UI table view, right? Okay, and then we can connect this outlet to our table view. Select the table view, and yeah, this should. Okay, the next step is you have to add the table view delegate and data source to this class. So how I do is I'll create an extension, and extension for this view controller, and then I'll add the table view delegate and table view data source. Okay, once we do this, this error appears, and we can click this and we get the delegates. Okay, these are the mandatory delegates. So okay, we have to create a array. For example, currently we are creating an array like this, a string array we can create, and we can give like a comma b c d e. This is just for your reference. Actually this comes either from the API response or network calls, or mostly this will be dynamic data. So here the first delegate is number of rows in section. So how many rows we need for the table view, that is number of items in that array. So we can give us return array dot count. All right. Then here we have to add the item to that table view cell. So before that we'll have to create a table view cell file. So cottage class table view cell list table. table view cell appears here, and we forgot to do one thing. For this table, select the table view cell from the storyboard and assign the class to this table view cell. There you go. And we'll have to give an identifier also for this cell. Okay, go back to our view controller class, and we can use that cell here. So first we have to declare that cell here. So let cell equals to table view dot dq reusable cell with identifier, and we have to give the identifier which we gave here. So the identifier which we gave here, from currently I used the same name as the class. We can give any identifier here, like cell. We can give anything here, but we should use this same identifier over here. So we can give it here. Okay, then we can access the, oh, just a minute. Inside this view controller, inside this table view cell, we have to declare the label which we used in the cell here. So we have to create and give an outlet here. So IB outlet where cell label. Okay, and we have to connect this outlet as we did for the table view previously. It's the same method. We can connect it like this. Can connect it like this. Select the cell class, just drag from the label like this. Yes, now it's connected properly. Go back to the table view cell class, table view, main view controller, and then we can access the label here. Okay, it takes time. Cell dot. Okay, we forgot something here. We have to declare it like this. List table view cell. Okay, now we can access the label from here. Cell dot cell label dot text equals what we want. We want the text from the array in the order, right? So array of index bar dot row. Okay, return the cell. Okay, now let's run and see. There you go. The table view is there, but the data with which we want to see, that is the array items that we can't see, right? That's because we forgot something here. We have to, these delegate functions will not be called unless we set the delegate here. That is, that this can be done either from the storyboard or from the class, controller class. Actually, I prefer doing it programmatically because um, in some scenarios we have to create the table views programmatically. So such scenarios, this is better. Like this can be done like this: self dot list table dot delegate equal to self, and the other one is data source dot data source equal to self. Right, now you can run once more. There you are. This is a simple method to show a list of data in a table view. Okay, we can do all sorts of stuff here. You can change the height of the table view cell. You can change the colors by adding some views. You can add images in the table view cell, and etc. I'll show you how to change the height of the table view. There is one more delegate for that. Height for row. See, here we can return the height. We can give 100. All right. Now we can run once more. There you go. The height of the cells changes, right? Okay, that's it. Hopefully you like the video and make some changes in this cell and work on that. Okay then, thanks for watching.